So today I'm going to show you how to add a landscape page inside a portrait document in Microsoft Word. So take for example, currently now my document is in portrait and now I want to have like a particular page. I want it to be like a landscape. So what you have to do is that particular page that you want to be a landscape, you select what is on the page. Take for example, select this page 2. You select on it, then you go to page layout. After you go to margins. You click on it, then you go to custom margins. After selecting it, you can see over here, so you click landscape, then you click on this place, it says selected text. Because of the text that I've selected, that's why you have the option. If you don't select the text, you won't have the option. So you click on selected text and that's just it. Then click on OK. Then you can see where I've selected, I have the landscape. My first page is still portrait, then my second page is landscape. Then you can see the remaining pages below it is still portrait. So that's how to add a landscape page to a document that is all portrait. Thank you very much.